Good morning. Just quit working here for a second to crank out another quick video for you guys. I'm Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com. Yep, I'm in real estate. Yep, I mess around with houses. Yep, I like to help you do the same, especially if you're going to sell your house. A lot of people are thinking these days about selling their own house. Houses are selling fast. Houses are selling fast. It's an easy way to save some commission if you're up to it. It's not zero work. It's a good bit of work, but if you're up to it, it pays well. At any rate, there are people right now in Tennessee in a city called SODDY-DAISY down near Chattanooga, and they're thinking about selling their house. They're thinking about bailing, maybe moving to another house, a bigger house, a smaller house, it doesn't matter. If you're thinking about selling your house, you're Googling flat fee, MLS broker, and maybe SODDY-DAISY. Well, you're going to turn up with a lot of brokers. Some of them have a big national map. Some of them have a nice glitzy website, but I'm here in Tennessee. They will have to ultimately refer their business back to somebody in Tennessee. I'm here in Tennessee from Chattanooga to Nashville to Memphis to Knoxville. I'm all over the state. Would like for you to know that I've been doing this a little over 36 years. I'm licensed and certified here in the state of Tennessee. And I would like you to at least consider me. Talk to me, call me. I'm 10 digits away. My email is on thereasonablerealtor.com. Incidentally, I'm going to leave uh, an URL down in the comments section, so it'll make it easier for you to click on it and get to thereasonablerealtor.com. Um, if you want to read some articles there, I highly recommend it. You will go into this project with a lot more knowledge than you started with because you're not bored knowing all this stuff. There's a red square over here that if you click it, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would love that. That would help me a lot. Watch this video to the end. That would help me. Thumbs up this video. If you have a question about what I'm saying, please write it in down here in the comment section. I promise I will respond to all of them. But anyway, I've taken enough of your time this morning. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com, pull down the front page menu under services. I think one of the first choices there is to list your own house. If you decide that's the way to go, shoot, you can do it in the middle of the night. You don't need to have me there. So anyway, check it out. Take a look at it. I appreciate your time. I will see you later.